What's up guys, Thomas here, back with another Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to install some taillights. So this whole process is pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is pop open your trunk. Then we need to locate where the hardware and the wiring harness is that's hidden behind this carpet. The pop clip you need to remove to get this carpet off is right here, so let's pull that out. Then we can pull down this carpet, and under here is where you're gonna find the wiring harness, the plug for that you're gonna need to unplug, and then the 4 nuts that are holding the taillight to the trunk. So this plug can easily be undone, and then there's 4 nuts here. They're an 8mm, so you can grab an 8mm wrench to help you get those off, but these ones are already loose, and I'll just do them by hand. But when you're getting to the back two here, these two, they can easily fall down into the abyss of the trunk, and it's really hard to find. So make sure you get a tight grip when you're trying to get these ones in the back off. Then using 2 hands, one on the front, one in the back to push this out, you can slide the entire taillight assembly out. Now it's time to grab your favorite aftermarket taillights. I'm going with the Valenti CBWs, which stands for clear lens, a black housing, and a white LED bar. This one has the full sequential turn signal, which is pretty cool. Those are going to be right there. And if you don't want sequential turn signals, you can always turn it on and off with this switch in the back. Now we're going to throw the new taillights on the opposite way that they came out. We're going to feed the wires in first, and then there's going to be the 4 bolts that we're going to need to align with the holes here, and then there's a locating pin right here that we need to line up with this right there. Now on the back side, we can re-clip that harness pin, then reinstalling those 4 nuts on the back, tightening them with the 8mm wrench. Now once you got your taillights installed, it's a good idea to run a function check just before you take this thing out on the road. You gotta make sure your running lights, your brake lights, and your turn signals work just fine. Now if you're still running the stock taillights and you wanna make the upgrade, I'll leave a link down in the description for all the ones that we sell on our website. We've got one for just about every style out there. And if you have any questions about taillights, feel free to send us an email at sales@ft86speedfactory.com. Now if you have any suggestions for some future Tech Tip Tuesday videos, leave those in the comment section down below. That's all I got for you guys. This is Thomas, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And then behind here, you can tear down this carpet, and oh, I gotta plug this in. Crap. Remove, so just pop that out. There we go. Ouch.